Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we will see in this video lovely people, you will see in this videos modern girls pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas, latest and stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring very stylish, unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts ideas. If you are a college girls or a business girls, this setup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. You will see me all modern pop haircuts, pixie pop haircuts, stack pop haircuts, toppy pop haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, please visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern stylish pop with bangs, haircuts designs. So I hope you like my videos friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. You will see very stylish and very unique attractive girls pop with bangs, haircuts designs. So dear viewers, do you have new ideas of new modern haircuts ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section to tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring unique girls pop haircuts designs. You will see in this video stylish stack pop haircuts, toppy pop haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish. You will see in this videos very stylish attractive girls pop with bangs, haircuts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring very stylish modern girls pop haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique girls pop haircuts ideas. So I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.